Here's a short little video outlining the changes I made to the version 1 CR frames. The first one is I changed it from a 1mm thickness to a 2mm thickness, so the arms are more durable now. They won't break when you drop them or bend as much. They will have more durability. I also infused the top caps with the top segment and the bottom foot with the bottom segment, so it's all one piece, which will make shipping a lot easier, while also less parts and less segments to mess with. I also changed the arms. You can see the inside arms that hold the filter are shorter than the outside arms. That's to cut costs. They don't need to be as long on the inside, and they're longer on the outside, so it can hide some of the cardboard on the frame, so it's more aesthetically pleasing. This is the 2-inch version of the version 1 frame, so the combination the 2-inch filters, just a little bit wider. If you can kind of see in here, I'll show that I cut some of the plastic on the back to minimize cost because we want to keep it cheap. And later in the video, to the male and female connectors, I added a dimple to the male connectors so that when you connect the pieces, it'll hold, so they won't slide off so easily, because sometimes with 3D printing, the tolerance aren't exactly perfect. So some will be tighter, some will be looser. This way, no matter if it's tighter or looser, they'll go in and they'll stay connected. And then here I'm going to show you once you snap them in place, a little bit shake, and they're in. So this is the version 1 update.